Hi, what's going on? My name is Anant. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Google Spreadsheet and import all your contacts from there. So all you have to do is go to your settings, which is right over here on the left. Click on the settings, scroll down and go to Google Sheets. Then you can click on sign in with Google, which will ask you to sign in with your Google account. So just log in with your Google account. I'm going to connect mine. It's going to ask for some permission so that it can access your Google Spreadsheet. Continue, and that's it. So as you can see over here, my Google Spreadsheet account is already connected, and there are a couple of spreadsheet which I already created earlier has been fetched over here. Now what I can do is go ahead and create a new spreadsheet from here or add an existing sheet. So when you want to add an existing sheet, you just have to select the account and then you need to select the sheet ID. Now I will show you how you can get the sheet ID. So for example, I'm going to create a new sheet and let's say, let's call this as new sheet. Okay. So what you see over here on the top, like this part after D in the URL, right, is your Google Sheet ID. So after D and before the edit, whatever you see over here is your Google Sheet ID. So all you can do is go ahead and paste this, click on save, and check this out. It was able to fetch the Google Sheet that we just created. Or else the other way to create a new Google spreadsheet is go over here, select your account and give it a title, right? So let's say I'm going to name this as my spreadsheet. And let's add more header like name, email, and phone. And I'm going to save this. And you can see over here, we have created a new Google spreadsheet over here. Now, if I want to check this out, I can click over here. You can see it has created a new Google spreadsheet with the name, email, and phone. So now what I can do is I can put my name over here. I'm just going to add one email over here. And I'm going to add one random phone number. Okay. So I've added the name, email, and a phone number. Now, if I want to import this, all I have to do is go to my subscriber manager and click on the options and then click on import subscribers. Now over here, I will get an option to choose from all the spreadsheets. So I'm going to select this spreadsheet, which I just created right now. And then you can see it was able to fetch my name, email, and number. So all I have to do is go ahead and map the fields. So the first thing that I want to map is the name. So I'm going to map the name with subscriber name. Second thing is I want to map the phone number. And third is I want to map the email ID. So as you can see in this account, we don't have any field called as email ID. So what you need to do is create a new field which will be called as email. How do we do this? Go to your manage and create a custom field which we are going to call as email, and let's call it as reply type email, right? So we've created a new custom field that is called as email. Now we can go back to the subscriber manager and click on the import subscriber, select the spreadsheet over here. Now let's see, there are three things that we want to map. The first thing is going to be subscriber name. Second thing is going to be the phone number. And the third thing is going to be the email. So let me just match them with the file header over here. And let's just name it as Anand because we are, okay, let's just take one of the old label, or if you don't want to select any label, that's absolutely fine. We can just go ahead and confirm and import the subscriber right from here. So as I click over here, you can see one of a new number is already imported. And now if I want to send a message, I can go here and send a template message to this customer. All right, that's it for today. If you have any question, drop it down in the comment below and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.